Hello, everybody. How's it going out there? How's your quarantine going? Guess what? It's raining here and windy. Yep. You know, they lost 60 satellites up in the sky above the Earth just a few days ago. And everything is so glitchy. Yep. Hard to watch Instagram and YouTube because everything is just jumping all over the place. And it don't help that it's windy. Nope. 60 satellites and it's still glitchy. So anyways, how's it going? Well, we got some good news. We won a giveaway. Yes, we did. From amazing puppeteer. Yes, we did. Sid Croft. If you grew up in the 60s about Puff and stuff, those guys, yeah, we won a giveaway. Yeah. Can't wait. Personal letter. Yep, can't wait. So anyways, I re-listened to his stories on Instagram. They are so amazing. Yes, they are. So how are you guys doing? We are just relaxing and trying to keep busy. And yeah. So anyways, I have a pet peeve, and I'm sure most of you guys know. You know, you go to the store, and everybody's got a cell phone now, right? It's so freaking annoying. Yes, it is. You know, everybody's looking down at their phones, not paying attention, walking into carts, into doors, knocking down stuff in the middle of the aisles. It's just funny. But you know what's really annoying? Parents and their kids. Yep. Doing YouTube videos while their kids are running all over the place, screaming, touching everything, and mom or dad are not paying attention. Nope. Not one bit. It's like, what? The story's supposed to be the babysitter? You do know there's like bad people in the world just waiting to take your kid's hand and walk out the store. I mean, we watched this lady for 20 minutes or more in the art supply aisle. Yeah, while her son is running around and doing absolutely nothing but behaving himself. It's so annoying. You know, some people just shouldn't be parents. Nope. Come on, kids. You know, mom and dad not paying attention to you. You know, you really gotta stay close to mom and dad, eh? There are bad people everywhere. So, yeah. Stay close to mom and dad. You know, they may not pay attention to you, but you gotta be smarter than your parents, I think, some days. So, what are your plans this week? Anything? We don't have any. Nope, not at all. We've been on the internet, on YouTube, and you would think this coronavirus would bring people closer together and be more kind and gentle with each other. But nope. There are some crazy ass people out there, you know? fighting, cussing, foul language, and bullying, and calling each other the B word and the C word. Yep. And they make fun of Draco. They say, oh, we don't want puppets. We don't like puppets. But you'd rather have that on YouTube? I don't think so. I like just the way things are on my channel. Yes, I do. Yep. So anyways, I just wanted to say, we tried to get more puppets. It's not working out. No, it's not, is it, Draco? No. But we're still gonna try. And we got a couple of these. I mean, if the store is open in Canada, maybe we could get one little puppet if it's not too much money and go from there. But we still want to put more puppets on our channel, but it costs money, and well, we just don't have enough. But we're gonna see what we can do, okay? I promise. And you guys all have a wonderful day, and just remember, Draco loves you. Yes. Okay? Alright, take care, be safe, wash your hands, and be kind, okay? Don't get into each other's spaces, okay? Bye-bye!